Hi everyone, thank you for joining this creative channel. This creative idea is how to make a blouse, beautiful blouse. This blouse is from denim or jeans. It's very simple and easy. So, how to make this blouse? See and join it. But don't forget, like and subscribe after watching this video. We prepare for this blouse is denim or jean, scissors, glue, and pins. We cut the jeans like this. This is 25 and 6 centimeters, but up to you. So after that we cut this like this. And this is the result. After this, we take the glue and put the glue. This one. And you put round. It's very simple. Give a glue again and get it round. And the other side is like this. Yeah. For the cover, this one, you cut the jeans, the circle like this. For close this, cover this, and you give the glue. Put the glue. Okay, and for the pin, you cut and put inside and give the glue. And you can see it's beautiful blouse. Okay, next with the other idea creative. Thank you. Bye bye.